My name is Juliana Linssen. I'm with Spaces by Juliana Linssen. I'm an interior designer and I've had my business for 6.5 years. I'm basically a one-man show. I do everything. A lot of my projects are really large projects. So, when you think about 6,000 square foot house with several rooms and several bathrooms, you have to have all the lighting fixtures, all the hardware, cabinets. Sometimes I specify, in order all the tile as well. I would say for the first 3 years of my business, 80% of the leads that I got were through Houzz. So Houzz was definitely a place where I knew I could do all my marketing through and kind of see the actual feedback from clients saying, I found you on Houzz and I like the work that you do. One of my favorite features of Houzz Pro is the clipper tool. I do a lot of big lighting orders for whole houses, and it would take forever, literally a whole day to do that sometimes. With Houzz Pro, it only takes me about an hour. We just go to a website, we're interested in, say, a lighting fixture, and then you just clip the image of that fixture and you already have all the information that you're gonna need. It's really easy to use and kind of fun, actually. So having the library on Houzz Pro really helps me make it easier to just get everything ready for a proposal, as well as the room board, so clients can have a good visual of how everything's gonna look like put together. So clients really appreciate the option to pay for bills electronically. I submit all my orders and my design time bills through Houzz Pro. The clients pay directly through Houzz Pro. The money goes via ACH straight into my account, and the Houzz Pro is also connected to my QuickBooks account. It's easy for me to send the bills, get paid, and then for my bookkeeper to get all the information that she needs. I do take a retainer when I first get hired to do the projects, and so you have a specifically area where you put the retainer, and then as the clients use your design time, when they reach the number of the retainer, all you have to do is deduct the retainer from that amount. It's very easy. It looks very professional. You can see the pictures, you can see my logo, you can see the pricing. The proposal gets approved, then you get payment. You can just click a button, automatically creates the purchase orders to all the different vendors, so you don't have to go and try to figure out who to order from. And so it's already very streamlined and easy for you to just send the order in, check it when you get the acknowledgement back, and it makes life really a lot easier. The Houzz Pro software was definitely a good return on my initial investment. Almost like having an assistant, you can see that you don't need to spend as much time, and time is money, so you can use that time to do design work instead. It really helps save you money in the end.